Bitcoin soared to unprecedented heights in 2024. On December 17th, it achieved a historic milestone. The price of a single Bitcoin reached $106,140. This peak marked a significant moment for the cryptocurrency. It solidified its position as a prominent asset class. The year closed with Bitcoin at $93,429. This impressive figure demonstrated its resilience and growth potential. The average acquisition cost for Bitcoin also surged. By the end of 2024, it reached $40,980. This represented an 86% increase year over year. This surge in acquisition cost signaled growing confidence. Investors were willing to pay a premium. They recognized Bitcoin's long-term value. The total market value of Bitcoin holdings reflected its growing dominance. It reached an astounding $811.7 billion. This figure highlighted the sheer scale of Bitcoin's presence. It showed its impact on the global financial landscape. Bitcoin had become a force to be reckoned with. Despite its remarkable ascent, Bitcoin's journey was not without volatility. On February 9, 2025, the market experienced a sell-off. Escalating trade tensions sparked uncertainty. Despite this, Bitcoin's price remained resilient. It stayed above the $95,000 mark. This demonstrated its ability to weather market fluctuations. The year 2024 saw a significant shift in the U.S. government's approach to cryptocurrency. Re-elected President Trump adopted a decidedly pro-crypto stance. This shift signaled a potential turning point. The U.S. could become a global leader in Bitcoin adoption. Key appointments within the administration reinforced this pro-crypto direction. Paul Atkins, a known advocate for regulatory clarity in the crypto space, was nominated to lead the Securities and Exchange Commission. This appointment signaled a potential shift towards a more favorable regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, David Sachs was appointed as the inaugural Artificial Intelligence and Crypto Czar. This newly created position highlighted the administration's commitment to fostering innovation in these rapidly evolving sectors. Sachs's expertise was expected to play a crucial role in shaping policy. He would guide the U.S. towards a more crypto-friendly future. These appointments, coupled with President Trump's vocal support for Bitcoin, created a sense of optimism. The U.S. seemed poised to embrace the potential of cryptocurrencies. This shift in policy had the potential to impact the global crypto landscape significantly. Senator Cynthia Lummis emerged as a leading voice in the U.S. government's pro-Bitcoin movement. In 2024, she introduced the groundbreaking Bitcoin Act. This legislation aimed to establish a comprehensive and pro-Bitcoin policy framework for the United States. The Bitcoin Act sought to address key aspects of Bitcoin regulation. It provided clarity on the classification of Bitcoin as a commodity. It also addressed concerns related to taxation and consumer protection. The act was hailed by many as a crucial step. It would provide much-needed legal certainty for Bitcoin businesses and investors. Inspired by El Salvador's pioneering move, discussions about creating a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve gained traction. Proponents of this idea argued that holding Bitcoin reserves could provide numerous benefits. It could act as a hedge against inflation. It could also reduce reliance on the U.S. dollar. The year 2024 witnessed significant events that impacted Bitcoin's market dynamics. The April halving event, a pre-programmed event that reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created, occurred as scheduled. This event decreased the Bitcoin mining reward, effectively constricting supply. The halving event had a notable impact on Bitcoin's price. It contributed to upward price pressure. This was consistent with previous halving events. They had historically preceded periods of significant price appreciation. January 2024 marked another watershed moment for Bitcoin. 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs were launched. This influx of investment vehicles made it easier for institutional and retail investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. The competition among these ETFs was fierce. It led to temporary fee waivers. This made Bitcoin investments even more accessible. The introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs, coupled with the halving event and the pro-crypto stance of the U.S. government, painted a positive outlook for Bitcoin's future. These developments had the potential to drive further adoption and propel Bitcoin towards mainstream acceptance.